This is Word Feast with Pastor G. I want to speak to us about why we should love speaking to God often. Psalms 116 verse 1 and 2 says, I am passionately in love with God because He listens to me, He hears my prayers and answers them. Verse 2 says, as long as I live, I'll keep praying to Him, for He stoops down to listen to my heart's cry. Can you see that from David? He says he loves God so passionately because God gives him a listening ear. He listens to him all the time. God hears his prayers and answers them. Do you know something? In this life, one of the things we desire most is to have a friend, is to have a companion, somebody, a spouse, a friend who will be able to be there for you, listen to what you've got to say. Sometimes they don't even have to say anything, but because they have given you their time to speak, to listen to you when you speak, it means so much to you. And I want to tell us this, that even though they will listen to you, they will not give you any answer sometimes. But look at our God. He has time all the time, whether in the morning, in the evening, noontime, walking, sitting down. He is always there to listen to you. So David said, that's why I love this God. But above all, he says, this God hears my prayers and answers them. And he says in verse 2, because of this, as long as I live, I'll keep praying to Him, for He stoops down to listen to my heart's cry. I want to tell you this, my friend. God is one who desires to listen to your heart cry. When you're not speaking to Him, you're just speaking to your friend, your spouse, people outside there. Some of you speak to Facebook, WhatsApp status. God says, you're denying me something. I have time to listen to you. I have time just to hear what you've got to say. And do you know something? When He listens to your heart's cry, He will do something. You see, the children of Israel were crying. They were in pain. And God appeared to Moses and said, listen, I have heard the cry of my people who are in Egypt, and I have come down so that I may bring them out, I may deliver them and take them to a better place. God is there. He is the present help in times of your trouble. He is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. He desires to hear your voice. He's the one who says, call unto me and I will show you great and mighty things that you do not know. So please, my friend, let us be like David. Let's fall passionately in love with God because He hears our cry. And David says, as long as I live, I will keep praying to Him. So keep talking to God. When you wake up in the morning, talk to Him. When you are cooking, when you are in the washroom, when you're in the bathroom, just keep calling unto Him. When you are driving, talk to Him. Talk to Him all the time. And let me tell you something. You will see beautiful things taking place in your life. Because when God hears what you're saying, He will go and do something. And you will say, voila, look what the Lord has done. God bless you and see you next time. Amen.